Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 4 great kitchen deals, kitchenware deals from Walmart.com. The first one here is a Thyme and Table 12-piece silicone cooking utensil set. It comes in black and in taupe. This right now is $20. This 12-piece silicone cooking utensil set. You can get it in 2 colors, and it comes with all of these utensils that you see here. It comes with a whisk, with a spatula, a spoon, tongs, mini spatula, mini whisk, and a whole bunch of other great stuff. And it's only $20, down from $58.56. So you are saving yourself $38. I'm going to link these down below so you can go snag these great deals because they are not going to last. The next one is another Thyme and Table 32-piece stainless steel mixing bowl set. It comes with stainless steel bowls and also more silicone utensils, 5 measuring cups, and 5 measuring spoons. So I want to show you the pictures that they have here because I think this is great. Check this one out. It also comes with like these little tops that you put on the lid. So this one right here, for example, you can grate cheese with it. So like if you're making a salad or a pasta, you put this little lid on the top and then you just grate the cheese. I think that's so great. And yeah, you can bake with these, you can cook, and they're dishwasher safe, which is even better. And it comes with measuring spoons and measuring cups. So this is an amazing deal. This is $28 right now, down from $80. You're saving yourself $51. Okay, I would run and get this right now. This is such a great deal. See right here, it says in 200 people's carts. Yeah, this is not gonna last. So go snag it while you can. The next one I have here is another Thyme and Table 20-piece stainless steel knife and cutting board set. Comes in black and in taupe again. And yeah, I mean, everyone needs knives every now and then. You know, our knives get dull or they get ugly and you want new ones. This one is $20 for both colors, down from $78. You are saving $58. I'm so happy I found these deals to share with you. I just think they're great. I wish I could buy all of them because they're just, I don't want to miss out on these. They're so great. And the last one here is another Thyme and Table 10-piece ceramic bakeware set with spatulas, and it comes in a medallion pattern. So if you're a baker or if you know a baker, this set right here comes with 1 large rectangular baker, 1 medium rectangular baker, a pie dish, 4 ramekins, a whisk, and 2 spatulas. This right here, the medallion one, is $37.97, down from $69. You are saving $31. And I've seen these at the store. I've seen them and I've held them, and they are heavy, they are sturdy, and they're beautiful. They have like a gold trim around them. They're just so pretty and elegant. I recommend these 100%. I recommend all of these items 100%. They are just great, amazing deals. I'm going to link every single one of these items down below so you can go snag them before they're gone, because believe me, they're going to be gone. Thanks for watching. Bye.